Hi everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I have my BeautyFix unboxing for you guys for the month of October, and here it is right here. Something strange happened with my first box. This is my second box that was shipped to me, but the first box never made it to my door. What happened was, I believe it was in the middle of October, I didn't receive it yet, and then I got an email saying by Derm Store that they shipped out my subscription box and they were charging me $34.95. And that is a one-time fee for just a 1-month box that you're in, because the subscription costs $24.95 a month for a year. So I called them up and I said, why are you charging me for a box? I didn't even receive the first one yet. And the gentleman on the phone, he said, oh yeah, your box was on our delivery truck and that one caught on fire. It's like, oh, okay, nobody got hurt, right? And he said, no one got hurt. But it seems like my first one caught on fire. So I'm glad nobody got hurt. But I did get this box a little bit later than what, normally is. But that's okay. As long as nobody got hurt, it's fine. I just thought I might share it with you guys. It was kind of interesting. But anywho, let's go ahead and open this box, huh? Oh, and he did say that I was not being charged $34.95. It was just there on their invoice for their bookkeeping purposes, I guess. But I was not charged $34.95, so that's good. That's good. Here it is right here. Healthy skin and hair begin here. And here is the little pamphlet that says, Fall in Love with Seasonal Favorites. That is this month's theme. So here are the seasonal favorites. And if you're new to the subscription box, this box costs $24.95 a month if you get the 1-year subscription. And you get 6 products in here, and there should be at least 1 product in here that costs more than the monthly subscription. So let's see what we got in this month for October. Ooh, we got a lemon cream scrub by Sanitas. I believe that's how you say this brand. But on this pamphlet, it gives you a little explanation. It says, reveal brighter and softer and more radiant skin with help from invigorating lemon, rich vitamin E, and gentle silica crystals. I love a good scrub. I love a good scrub, and I haven't heard of this brand before. All right. A product here by Alterna, I believe that's how you say it. Caviar Anti-Aging Anti-Frizz Dry Oil Mist for the hair. Say goodbye to an untamed mane this fall. This mist will keep your locks silky smooth and frizz-free. All right, we have a sample here by Toka. This is Cleopatra. And since I am Egyptian, very fitting name. Swap the light and flowery summer scents for this bold and exotic jasmine-infused perfume that will warm the cool fall air. And if you follow my channel, I am not a perfume wearer kind of gal, but my daughter is. And so this will probably be passed on to her. But let me just spray it on this and see what it smells like. Oh, that does smell good. I smell the jasmine. That's a really nice one here, Cleopatra. Next, we have something from Tula, Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pad. Incorporate these dual-sided pads into your weekly routine to even tone and brighten your complexion. Polishes and exfoliating for smooth, brighter skin. Okay, that'll be interesting to try. All right, you have something big here from Miss DeGaspie. Beauty on My Terms. Hydrate and Glow. Hydrating and Illuminating Dry Mask. That is something new that I haven't tried before or even heard of before. A dry mask? Question mark? This BeautyFix exclusive is changing everything. Loop over your ears and gently rub the mask into your face to activate. Okay, that is different. It does feel like a cloth in here. All right, here we have a product here from Glytone Ultra Softening Heel and Elbow Cream. It says keep rough areas hydrated in this crisp fall weather with this luscious glycerin-based cream. That is a thick cream. Not too much of a scent, very clean, which is nice. And I do have one of Glytone's products. It's their glycolic lotion for my arms. I like that one. You have this one here by Vichy, I believe that's how you say it. One-step cleanser for sensitive skin. Stay in bed a little bit longer thanks to this combo toner, cleanser, and makeup removal. Okay, always need a good cleanser. Ah, we have something here from Rituals. I've been loving this brand. This is the Ritual of Dow Foaming Shower Gel. Transform your shower into a spa with this calming white lotus and Yi Ren infused foaming gel. I did get an advent calendar from Rituals and we've been really enjoying their products. Really nice in this one. All right, last product here. I believe this is the full size. Ferture Paris Nourishing Ritual Intense Nourishing Mask for dry hair. Okay, so this is for hair. Give your locks deep nourishment with shea butter and oil for healthy, bouncy hair. All right. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products in this month. Couple things here for the hair and for the body. I guess, you know, it's getting colder now and getting drier, so that's really nice, really nice. I am interested to try this. Sounds very, very intriguing. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.